Hello everyone, welcome to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio, your guide to all things Ton blockchain. Today we're diving into the latest updates and insights. Let's get started. Kicking off with an exciting release from J-Vault, introducing Locker, a groundbreaking financial tool aimed at providing stability and security for token creators and owners during the initial stages of project development. Key features include token lock-in capabilities, a user-friendly interface, and the issuance of a soul-bound NFT for on-chain data security. In wallet news, TonKeeper has just verified all LP tokens on Storm Trade. Users can now view their token balances and real-time prices directly in their wallets, enhancing transparency and trust. Big news in the exchange world. Binance has successfully integrated Tether USDT on the Ton network, facilitating seamless deposits and withdrawals. This strategic move follows their Notcoin listing and has significantly sparked interest in future listings, including Toncoin. XRocket updates us with their XRock tokens, now fully transparent and compliant, vested in audited smart contracts. This ensures enhanced security and adherence to their vesting schedule, reinforcing investor confidence. TonUp continues to strengthen the Ton ecosystem, having supported early-stage projects to raise over $3.1 million and burning nearly 119,000 UP tokens since its launch. In other news, Storm Trade is diving into the quirky world of Hamsterdam, an economic strategy game where players develop startups and manage hamsters. It's gaming with a twist, created by Techstars graduates and a hackathon prize winner. IME announces a key partnership with WireX, aiming to simplify and enhance the crypto experience for its 6 million users globally. This collaboration brings together a leading Web3 money app with a vibrant messaging platform. Moving on to our next topic. Anon and Katazen have teamed up to drive innovation on Ton. This collaboration promises to explore new frontiers within the ecosystem, so stay tuned for exciting developments. Ava is celebrating its community with the Friends card, offering holders exclusive benefits such as access to private chats and early launchpad access, fostering a tight-knit community of evangelists. Lastly, Telega.io, a leading advertising platform native to Telegram, now accepts Ton and USDT on Ton as payment methods, expanding practical use cases for these tokens. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.